Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial and understand how to create additional partition disk. For example here, see guys, we have a 4, I would like to have a 5, 6, 7, 8 additional more. And in this especially hard disk capacity, we have to shrink someone and we have to create a new one partition disk. How you will do that? Let's see in this video tutorial. Sometimes as we know that actually if I keep more data in a one partition disk, then might be a confusions uh, where is particular specific folder and file in a various accessories folder and data. So in that situation especially I would like to have the separate partition disk, especially in this computer. So either it's a laptop or a desktop, of course. Anywhere this strategy can be executed to create new partition disk. So for it guys, what I will do first of all, simply I will go in a search bar and I will write here disk disk. Now see, free up this space on no. Just we have to click on create and format hard disk partition. So just I'm going to click here. So see guys, it has been opened now. Disk management here. I would like to have a more. So you have to choose here which one we have a more. So here, see guys, especially in this we have a approximately how much I would like to shrink from here approximately 20 GB and from here 20 GB. So this is a partition disk F, so just I'm going to select here F and so see guys here, from here also we have to shrink approximately 20. So just I am going to here shrink value. So now it has started opening. How much we have to shrink? It's approximately 58, so only 120 GB, so just I will keep it here 20 and I'm going to shrink it. So unlocated guys 20 GB approximately came here. Now I would like to shrink from here also. So in that situation here, what I will do, this is a drive, just I will shrink. So I will click here shrink value and how much we need here, 15. Yeah, exactly I will here total free space we have approximately, so just 10 GB, that's all, not more. So one I will now it's in MB guys, so of course now see 12,000 approximately. Now we have to keep it 10,000. Now just I am going to shrink it. So 9 GB approximately came here. So this one and this ones we have a new one. I would like to generate a new volume and just I am going to next. Now here if you would like to here total we have a 20. Can I accelerate? No, not much. So just I am going to next and it's asking mount in following NTFS. Yeah, which one? So just I am going to D here, this ones and just I'm going to next to finish. So it's saying that you cannot create a new partition disk in this allocated because this is already disk. So we need to what here, guys? We need to de-disk already, so we have to click another one. See here, just I'm going to click H, yes. Now I'm going to next. H is also already, guys. So let me firstly new one. Once again I'm going to next. Now it has created here, guys. See, new disk I, it means Z, this one will be a better. No, G we have already, so just I'm going to, let's see. Now J it has a recommended, so let's see. J K already, so might be we need to restart and then we have to create here because that's why having problem, guys. But however, after all, see, new partition disk one created here, and finally it was now allocated this file. No, from here, yeah, it was unlocated, so we can format it, yeah, we can restart and then we can generate it by a similar strategy, guys. Just let me try once again. So similar strategy by that actually you can actually create, guys, no problem at all. So just I have created new partition disk by a similar strategy 2 3 5 6 7 8 9. Of course, according to your own crystallization you can generate here. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this topics, then of course you can add below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So thank you for visiting our technology welfare. Have a great time, guys.